Hey everybody, welcome back. Doing another unboxing video, this time featuring the Milodon oil pan for the Gen 3 Hemi swap. And this pan is for early chassis, B-body vehicles. Basically, this one says it fits the Gen 3 Hemi engines, 1965 and up. A, B, or E bodies. Does require an oil pickup, 18331 for the 2008 and down, or 18341 for the 2009 up. This one is a 6-inch deep, 6-quart, plus the filter capacity oil pan. So I'm excited to take a look at this. I haven't even peeked at it yet before this video. I've been waiting since February for this oil pan, so it's been a little bit. So I'm really excited to see it. I'm a big fan of Milodon products and the quality of the build that they have for their product, and Milodon, of course, being pretty huge Mopar guys. I'm expecting that this is probably the best of the best out there. So let's dive in. All right. So here we go. So the Milodon pans all feature a gold iridite finish, and the craftsmanship on the pan is really nice. The nice welds. Yeah, and you can see the pan is got this internal baffle. Pretty simple in design. One of the things that I know to be true about all the Milodon pans is they're all block fit, you know, as they're produced to ensure proper fitment. So basically you should be able to drop this on. The flanges are typically laser straight, and you'll get one of the best fitting pans out there for your applications. So that is the pan. Couple of great big Milodon decals, and that is it. So again, just to recap, this pan is for early chassis swaps for putting a Gen 3 Hemi in. So we're working on this 1964 Plymouth Belvedere 2-door hardtop. This car for the longest time has been a big block 440 car, but we have decided to go with the Gen 3 Hemi swap in it, and so we're rounding up all the parts and pieces necessary to do that. And you know, without question, Milodon was going to be a part of that build. So hope you join us again as we do more of these unboxing videos and show you highlights of the car build as we progress. And thanks for tuning in.